Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing the catalytic converter, its components, the common problem each part faces, the causes those problems, and the solutions. Understanding the system is important because it directly affects a vehicle's emission, performance, and even fuel efficiency. The catalytic converter is part of the exhaust system, and its main job is to reduce harmful gases coming from the engine. Inside it, several components work together to convert toxic gases into safer emissions. When any component gets damaged or contaminated, the converter becomes inefficient and may trigger a check engine light. Let's go through each part one by one. Outer shell. This is the metal casing that protects the components inside. A common problem with the outer shell is overheating or even melting. This usually happens when the engine has misfire or when unburned fuel enters the exhaust, causing extreme temperatures. The only solution is to fix the misfires immediately and replace the converter if the housing is already damaged. Heat shield. The heat shield prevents excessive heat from damaging nearby parts under the vehicle. Common issue is rattling noise, which is usually caused by loose or rusted bolts. The fix is simple: tighten the bolts or replace the clamps to secure the shield. Catalyst substrate. The substrate is the ceramic honeycomb inside the converter. This part can get clogged or broken. The main causes are carbon buildup, oil burning, coolant leaks, or impact from debris on the road. If it's slightly clogged, it can be sometimes cleaned, but if it's broken, the catalytic converter must be replaced. Washcoat layer. The washcoat layer improves the converter's efficiency by providing more surface area for chemical reactions. This layer can become contaminated by leaded fuel, silicon, or phosphorus present in the engine oil. Once this layer is contaminated, the converter loses efficiency. The best solution is to fix the oil consumption issue and replace the converter if needed. Precious metal coating. These are the active materials, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, that clean the exhaust gases. Over time, they can degrade or become poisoned due to overheating or use contaminated fuel. Once the precious metals are worn out, the converter can perform well and must be replaced. Oxygen sensor ports. These ports hold the oxygen sensors that monitor exhaust gases. A common problem is incorrect readings or a check engine light caused by a damaged sensor, loose threads, or carbon buildup. The solution is to clean the port or replace the sensor and ensure it's properly tightened. Exhaust inlet and outlet. These are the points where exhaust enters and exits the converter. They can develop leaks caused by crack, flanges, or worn gaskets, or loose bolts. The fix is to replace the gaskets, tighten the bolts, or weld the crack areas. To summarize, the catalytic converter contains several parts. Each one plays an important role. Most problems happen due to contamination, overheating, or lack of maintenance. By addressing engine issues early, you can prevent catalytic converter failure or avoid costly repairs. Thank you for listening.